Hello and good day, grade 5 and grade 6 students. So how are you today? So I hope you're doing fine, great, and good. So today we will continue our lesson about subject-verb agreement. So last time we tackled about the vocabulary and picture of the verb. Okay, so this one here. So right now let's start to have a reading. Okay, reading. So I'm going to do I let you read. I will let you read. Okay, all, and then I'm going to go through one by one. Okay. So when we say reading, of course, reading it means like a saying each vocabulary or words that you can see. Okay, in our screen. So reading the vocabulary of the verb. So number one, walk. Okay, walk. Okay, just to check if you can. This lesson is all about checking, okay, if you can read or not. Okay, so number one, walk. Number two, study. Number three, eat. Number four, write. Number five, stand. Okay, number six, catch. Number seven, add. Number eight, split. Number nine, drink. Number 10, blow. Number 11, like. Number 12, want. Number 13, hate. Number 14, care. Number 15, love. Okay, so this is all our vocabulary, okay, that we tackle. Okay, so here we have the picture. Of course, easy for you because we have the picture here, but here we don't have any picture, so it can detect, okay, or we can see if who student who can read or who student is good in identification. Okay, so when we say you are good in identification, so it means if you see an image, you can know what is that one. But when we say reading, of course, without an image, using the words, okay, you can read, okay, this one here. Okay, so again, one more time, walk. Number two, study. Number three, eat. Number four, write. Number five, stand. Number six, catch. Number seven, add. Number eight, split. Number nine, drink. Number 10, blow. Number 11, like. Number 12, want. Number 13, hate. Number 14, care. Number 15, love. Okay, so that is our vocabulary of the verb. So let's start now here. Let's move on. So sentence using the verb. Okay, sentence using the verb. Okay, so here, number one, all the children eat popcorn. So if you remember in subject verb agreement, if the subject is plural, so the verb must be plural. Okay, so here, all the children. So when we say from the word all, it means a lot already. It shows that this is more than one. Okay, children. So from the word children, so the child is singular, the children is plural. So eat, of course, our verb here without s. Okay, so eat popcorn. Okay, so number two, the tiger drinks water on the river. Okay, so the tiger. So how many tiger? Okay, you must ask always how many. Okay, so when we say I think tiger without s, tigers, no, it is one. Okay, so our verb here, drinks, it must have an s, because again, for the subject verb agreement, so when the subject is singular, the verb must be singular with s. Okay, so here, if you see drinks, okay, it's not the same when we say the verb is not the same when we say noun. Okay, so a noun, okay, when I will tell you a noun, when it has an s, it means that it is plural. But for the verb, when it has an s, it shows singular. Okay, when without s, that is plural. Okay, I love. Okay, she loves. Okay, like that. Okay, so you see the difference. So the tiger drinks water on the river. So it means that this one tiger drinks water on the river. So only one tiger here. Okay, we're talking. So our verb drink become drinks. Okay, so next, number three, the student stand. Okay, the students stand in front of their classroom. Okay, so maybe the student here. Okay, so what is the subject? Students. So how many this one? So if student without s, okay, so one. But this one is two. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 10 students or 20 students stand. Okay, so the verb without s. Okay, in front of their classroom. So again, classroom, that is the place where you're learning. Okay, so you have your classroom here, the Patum 5 and Patum 4 classroom. Okay, Patum 6, sorry, classroom. Okay, next, number 4, the car stops under the bridge. Okay, so the car stops under the bridge. So maybe the bridge has some parking area and the car stops. So how many car? We're talking here, car. So one. Okay, so our verb here must have an s. Okay, here, you see, stops. Okay, not stop. Okay, stops under the bridge. Okay, so down the bridge. Okay, next, Andrew. Okay, Andrew writes a letter for his family. So Andrew, okay, so this is a name of a person, a boy. So write, okay, so this one here, Andrew writes a letter for his family. So maybe right now he is writing a letter, okay, or he often writing a letter for his family, okay. So we put here the right into an S, okay, so have S. So normally the base form of the verb is right, so now we need to put S. Why? Because our subject here is singular. So remember, when the subject is singular, it always has an S. But when the subject is plural, without S. Okay, this one is plural here. This one is singular, this one is plural, this one is singular and singular. Okay, next. My brothers split, okay, during their karate training. Okay, so my brothers, okay, so two, because why, teacher? Because here, if you see, the noun has an S. So brothers split, okay, so our noun here or action is split. So without S, okay, during their karate training. Okay, that is the time of their karate training. Okay, next, my classmate studies is lesson for our exam. So my, okay, so it's have the word my here. So this is possessive adjective my. So classmate, okay, so classmate, I think this is alone, okay. So nothing will be what? Nothing is a lot here. It's only one. So it's not classmates, it's classmate, okay. So it can say another one person, okay, classmate, okay. So from the word here, okay, so you may think, okay, even me, I can think that, okay, this one is one already. Why? Because it doesn't have an S. So classmate studies, okay. So teacher, why this one is different? S, the study is Y, so I may put YS. No, so you must to convert the Y into IES, okay, when you put what? A verb into a singular form, okay? So especially for studies or ended with Y. Okay, so his lesson for our exam. So it means the lesson or the note for the exam, okay? So next, he walks, so he, a boy. The subject we're talking here is a boy from the word he. He walks going to his friend's house. So here, walks. Why? Because again, we're talking about singular. So our verb must have an S. Going to his friend's house. Okay, this one is a possessive adjective for a boy. Okay, friends. Okay, his friends. Okay, house. So friends, it shows that this one here. What is this one, teacher? Friend is house. No, this one here is friend house. Okay, or his friend's house. Okay, only for his friends, not for other. Okay, next, number 9. We will blow all the balloons for the coming party. Okay, so we will blow the balloons for the coming party. So we will, from the word will, so this is show that this one here is a future. Okay, and from the word coming. So we, again, our subject is we, so our verb must be in plural form, so without S. So all the balloons for the coming party. So maybe it has a birthday party. Number 10. She drinks 6, okay, 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. So she, okay, from the word she, okay, so she drinks, of course, the verb here, it must have an S. Okay, drinks 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. So every day, okay, so this is habitual action. So every day he drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water. Okay, so next, here, number 11, I like chocolate. So simple. Okay, so the word here or the sentence is I like chocolate. So here we have the plural I, okay, and like, of course, this one here without S because we have the plural subject. So when we say plural subject, the verb without S, okay, chocolates. Okay, so how many chocolates? A lot. Okay, so it's different. Okay, so it doesn't matter here. Okay, even 1 chocolates or 2 chocolates or 100 chocolates. Okay, still the grammar is correct. Okay, next, she wants a doll. Okay, so here singular, so we put here an S, okay, for the verb. Why? Because our subject here is singular. So doll, of course, that is a toy. Okay, many copy toys of something that you can see in a television or fairy tale. Okay, next, number 13. They hate each other. So from the word they, okay, so they, it means plural. Okay, so it composed with 2 or 3 people. Okay, not including the one who speak. Okay, so they hate each other. So again, they is a plural, so our verb here must be a plural, so each other. Okay, so it means this is between 2 person or a group. Okay, so this sentence, okay, you can identify already. Okay, number 14, he cares for his family. So he cares for his family. So what is the subject here? A boy. Okay, he. So he. Okay, cares, of course, because we have the singular, so we must put s here. Okay, for our singular subject. So for his family, so this boy here has a family, so maybe he do hard working for his family because he cares for his family. Okay, so he need to own money. Okay, next, we love to travel. Okay, this one is so simple, but it's correct. Okay, so we love to travel. So we. Okay, so plural, and then our verb here is plural too. Okay, we love to travel. So it means going to travel. Okay, so that is our sentence using the verb plus. Okay, so when we say travel again, so it's going out to another places, exploring other places, and take a picture. Okay, so we love to travel. Okay, so thank you so much, class, and have a good day. So I hope you learned something for today, and goodbye.